Welcome back guys. Now if you remember in our previous video we spoke and showed you about LED frames and I said there was going to be more coming soon. Well, today is the day and all of them have arrived, and have a look at all of them behind me. Now these are looking just like normal LED frames, so what we're going to do is switch them on so that you can see what the difference is between off and on. So let's get to it. Now that you've seen all of them on, they look bloody fantastic. But we've left one off because we need to show you and talk to you about the printing aspect. Okay, first things first is this is not just vinyl paper. This is called backlit film. Now you have got a matte side as well as a shiny side. And the shiny side is the side you don't print on, you print on the matte side only. The next thing is this is printed with eco solvent, not UV and not sublimation, and the reason for that is because you need to see through the ink and not get blocked off as if you're printing with latex or UV. So now all you got to do is print on the matte side, and then you just have to slide it into your frame from the side that it needs to, and then you end up with something like this. And as you can see, now that you've done it the correct way and printed it right, you'll have something that is really bright and spectacular like the rest of our frames. So to start off, we've got two different styles of frames. We have got our single-sided, which is the ones I'm about to show you, and then we've got double-sided. So we have got all the way from an A4 ranging up to an A0 in size, which is going to give you a wide variety for different applications. And then from there we have got our double-sided signs, which start off with this one over here. This is our double-sided frame. We're going to talk about this one first. It is our 600 by 900 in size, and that means that double-sided, you get two different sides you can slide in your poster through the dividers here, and that means you can have two different artworks all the same and you have lit on both sides. Now they do come in different sizes and shapes. We're going to move over to our landscape shape because this is our portrait. This is our landscape version of our double-sided frames. Now just like our portrait one I showed you, they do have the capability to be hung, and that is the sole purpose of these double-sided, so that you can hang them in various places and have two different artworks on both sides. Again, all you have to do is slide in the piece that you want on the side that you need it, and the sizes are fantastic. Now I do have to mention that all these frames come with different powers. Now the hang ones are 220 and the ones that you attach to the walls are 12 volts, and that is the difference between them, so that you know that you have to wire them correctly. So guys, if you are looking for a frame that is ultra thin and is nice and sleek and also will blend in with your corporate environments or any environment whatsoever, these frames are fantastic. The lighting behind it is great. It is very bright, so easy to see it from a distance. The fact that it's easy to wire is fantastic. The light is brilliant and evenly distributed throughout the frame from corner to corner. You have no dark spots or shady spots. It is LED, so if you are leaving it on, it doesn't consume a lot of electricity. Considering that this one is less than the price of an original frame without a light, it is fantastic because it's giving you more. Now let's talk about buying these frames. So for everyone that is within the Gauteng area and wants to buy these, you can buy them immediately and come in store to buy them. Unfortunately, for everyone else that wants to buy online, we're in the process of perfecting our boxing stage of this product. Because it is tempered glass and the sheer size of it, we're just worried that shipping right now is going to have a problem and it'll arrive to you broken into 1,000 pieces. So please hang in there, because it is well worth the wait and we will perfect it very soon. Now guys, what if you did not want to put them on a wall or hang them like our other ones over there? Well, I do have another option for you, so let's go have a look at it. Okay, so we're here in sales and we spoke about a different option other than hanging or attaching to a wall. Now our first option is this pedestal over here. Now this pedestal allows you to go up and down. You can change the angle just by touching one screw and then readjusting again so that you can angle it in any direction. From there we have got our desktop options. Now we have 3 different options here, allowing you to either have it in portrait or landscape on a desk instead of hanging it or attaching it to a wall. When it comes to the desktop stands, our first option is just 2 legs that you screw into the back of the frame, and you need to do it either for landscape or portrait. Our next option is a more slimline platform that allows you to do tilting up and down, and it hides the actual platform itself. Our last one is our most fancier one that allows you to see the platform but also allows you to tilt back and forth, and it's the best looking one. So what is AM actually offering here? Not only do you get the frames as well as the awesome accessories with it, you can also purchase the film as well as the printer and inks. So for more information, just go ahead and contact sales.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit AM.CO.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. AM.CO.za, achievement matters.